Oh my gosh. Look at this. That's a freaking lot of hair. Hey guys, it's Hay. So today I'm going to be cutting my own bangs. Oh my gosh. I can't even process it right now. I'm so nervous. Really nervous. Derek has no idea. He's on a trip right now and he's coming back tomorrow. So I'm wanting to surprise him. He's known I've thought about it. My friends think I should go for it. Derek thinks it's a terrible idea. I've always wanted to try bangs. Bangs are scary. I've also always wanted short hair, but that's definitely not happening today. And I definitely never thought I would be doing it myself. But it's quarantine. This really is a big deal for me. I've had my hair long forever and I've been too scared to do anything to it. It's just been long. That's it. Maybe some layers. It's such a big deal to me. I've even prayed about it, which might sound a little crazy, but I just need to know, should I just go for it? Will it look good? Will it make me happy? Or am I gonna have a breakdown? I was Zooming my friends the other night and one of my friends dared me to say a number 1 to 10 at the same time as her. And if we say the same number, then I have to. And we both said 4. So I feel like that's kind of a sign I should do it. I posted a story on my Instagram, a poll, asking if I should do it or not with a TikTok I saw. And this girl's TikTok, it turned out cute. I don't know how I'm gonna mentally get myself to actually do it. I feel like I'm just stalling right now. I just need to go in there, get ready, and chop. Oh my gosh. It could be really cute though. Always wanted bangs. They look good on other people. Okay. Well, I guess let's blow dry my hair down. Okay, we're doing this. Should I do it? Meow if I should do it. Kitty, should I cut my bangs? Well, that's not a good sign. So I got these scissors from Walmart, and I already had this comb, and then got these little hair clips to, clip my hair back, and this headband in case it all goes wrong. So now I am going to wet my hair here and blow dry it this way and this way, but I'm not going to be cutting all of that. I'll section it off in a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to section it off. I'm going to make a triangle that goes out to the arch of my brow. Oh my gosh, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'll be cute with bangs, right? Another thing I'm nervous about is I feel like bangs can really change how you look. And I'm not used to having hair in my face. So I feel like it could get annoying. Also, don't like fixing my hair all the time, but you definitely have to fix bangs. How do people get this freaking triangle? People make it look so easy. And how can you see past this? That's better. Well, definitely not even. Okay, I think that's good. It's a little hard to see around this hair. No, it's not freaking even. I'm just gonna keep messing with it and I'll come back whenever I have the piece I want. Okay, I'm back. I think I got it as good as I can. You do this, the little twisty method. You take this one, and then you switch over to this hand, and it's like that. And just chop. Like, guys, I can't do this. Like, I'm ready. Like, I just need to do it, but I can't. I cannot do this. So, you don't want to pull it too tight because it just goes choop. I don't know. Like, this is not me to do something this wild and crazy. Just freaking out a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna cut it down to my nose first. That's a lot. Look at all this. This is years of hair. It's already 4:07. And I've been trying to do this since like 2. I just need to do it. It's gonna be cute. It's gonna be cute, right? It's gonna be cute. So I just need to do it. Kitty is coming to be my support system. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Hello. She doesn't like being held. I feel like I'm like getting delusional and I'm just gonna do it. It's just hair, Hayden. It's gonna grow back. It's gonna grow back. What is it gonna take? Honestly, if I actually go through with this and I end up liking it, I'm gonna feel really accomplished. Yeah. Also, Kitty's watching me. Hello, Kitty. I think I'm realizing I'm too attached to my hair. I've seen girls doing like shaving their head videos lately. Like, I could never do that. Maybe that's my next video. Just kidding. So, it's now 5 o'clock p.m. I've been at this for 3 hours now. Whoa! Basically, I just need to tell myself that I am not leaving this bathroom until I have bangs. My neck's starting to hurt and the sports bra is starting to hurt. Now is the time. Coming up on 4 hours. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. 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 Oh no, what did I do? Oh my gosh, what did I do? I don't wanna, oh my gosh, look at this. That's a freaking lot of hair. That's a lot. I can't believe I just did that. I did it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like it's short. Okay. I can't even process this right now. What the heck just happened? I'm getting a good vibe. Good vibes. Now we chop up, right? I don't know what to do now. What do I do now? I don't want to cut it too short, but this is too long, obviously. Like this, and kind of cut this middle part a little bit shorter. I just don't know, I don't know how long and short I need it. What do I do now? Oh no. Should I twist it and chop again? definitely hasn't set in. Like, there's no way I cut my bangs. And there's no way I'm just kind of chopping. Like, I have no idea what I'm doing. Let me get out my straightener. Derek's gonna freak out. I don't even know how to style bangs. It's starting to look kind of good. It just needs to be shorter. I'm actually kind of liking it, I think. I'm gonna look up some Pinterest pictures and see, like, is that good? Because I don't know. No. Okay, I'm doing the twisty thing again. Is this good, or is it still too much in my eyes? I don't know. I kind of feel like it needs to be shorter. It just feels weird. So, I'm gonna do my little twisty thing one more time. It definitely is giving this look, which is nice. But, like, is this how it's supposed to be? Or am I supposed to go shorter? Does it need to be like here? I feel like right here, like this piece, this is too long. Like I can't see. And where did this random hair come from? I don't know you. Go away. I don't know what I'm doing. It is now 6:30. Maybe like if I did this and then chopped it kind of like that. This piece, this is the long one. Stop being long. You don't need to be long. I feel like this side might be a little bit thicker, honestly, than this side. I kind of like the flip, like swoop this one does, but this one doesn't do that, so is that weird? Maybe I'm starting to be too particular. I'm very particular with like trying to get things perfect. Like my crafts. Paintings and stuff. Okay, I don't hate it. I guess it's good. Now I'm just gonna try to like blend in some side stuff. Take this like right in front of my ear. Do the same on this side. Ooh, that one was good. I don't know, like honestly, if this is what I'm supposed to be doing, but whatever. So, I'm gonna go down. Like, I missed this whole piece. This is probably completely wrong. This one needs to be a little bit shorter. There. I think I did it. This one's still a little bit longer. That's okay. Now I'm going to try to style it. Actually, I think I really like it. This is kind of cute. I like it. I just want Derek to be here now so I can show him. He's gonna be shocked. Let's get out the curling iron. I feel like I look like a painter. I feel like I should have a painting studio and be really good and just, you know. So I'd add that in. Derek is FaceTiming, but my phone just died, so perfect. What am I supposed to do? Guys, what do I do? He's FaceTiming me again. Leave me alone. Stop FaceTiming. Let me know if you like it and if I should keep it or if I should... I'm watching a show right now.
Whoa. You couldn't even text me back?
Sorry, I was about to. I was into it.
Oh. Uh-huh.
So, Derek called back, but he wasn't FaceTiming this time, so I was like, okay, I'm going to have to answer eventually. My excuse was that I was watching my show, I was about to text him back, and the show was just really good, and I was into it, and so I couldn't answer. And then he was like, why does it sound like you're in the bathroom? He knows. So I was like, oh, I was just going to the bathroom. And then he was like, oh, that's probably why you answered then. I was like, yeah, you caught me. So he didn't suspect anything. And then he's like, okay, well, I guess I'll let you get back to it. So, yeah, it is 8 p.m. So now it's been 6 hours. 6 hours I've been working on this. But I think it turned out good. Worth it. I am about to text my friends a picture of me looking like I'm about to cut my bangs and see what they respond and then see if they can FaceTime.
Hello.
Hi. Okay. So, are y'all ready?
Yeah. Wait, did you already do it?
I don't know.
What? I thought you were going to do it in front of us.
No.
I love it. It looks so nice.
Yeah, it does.
It looks so good. You look like Daphne. It looks good.
Oh my god! Did you cut that? Oh my god. It looks good.
Thanks.
I'm surprised.
Why are you home early? I didn't get to fix them. I've been sleeping.
Fix them.
That's why the door is locked. I ran and closed the door and locked it. I thought about this last night. I knew this was gonna happen. I was like,
Is
okay,
that why
what's
you
my
asked how many flights I had?
what's my game plan? Yeah, I even looked up the flight last night and made sure it wasn't canceled.
Oh my god. She's reached her mental breaking point, guys. Wow, it's crazy.
Hello?
Hey.
Hey.
What's up?
Oh my gosh. It looks good.
Thanks.
I knew.
Pregnant?
No. Look.
Alright.
Hey. Well, it goes with his porn stash.
What's up, Buttercup? Are you cutting your bangs? I knew it. You're good. Did you do that yourself? I did it. You're fucking
Yeah.
wild. You know, Bella Hadid cut her own bangs.
Really?
Really? Yeah, you're basically a model.
Basically. So, what do you think?
Looks good.
Thanks.
I was surprised. I thought
Yeah.
you'd botch it.
Yeah. Well, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.